Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Fidelity Custodial account. Alright, if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity Custodial account, this video is going to help you out with that. It's going to be a really quick one. Just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to log in online, or you can choose to do so through the Fidelity mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you're going to click on accounts, and then you're going to select custodial accounts. Now once you're there, you're going to initiate the custodial account setup process, where you're going to need to provide the required information, including minors details. Now once that's done, you want to choose the investment options, and then you're going to confirm the custodial account details. Just take your time, go over those details and make sure everything is accurate, and from there on out you can monitor the custodial account activity right here on Fidelity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity Custodial account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.